may need to refer to your operations manual to find the exact location of your control module. Some units are more difficult than others. For this fireplace, you need to remove the screen, the glass, and the surround to access the control module. So you're going to lift up and pull out. And these are the 4 sets of teeth that are sitting on clips just inside the fireplace. Just want to set this beside the fireplace so we can access the control module compartment. After accessing the control module, you must locate the red PRG button. For this unit, the red PRG button is on the front right corner. On other units, it may be in the back, and you may also need a small object like a pen or paper clip to press this button. For this one, I can just use my finger and I'll hold it, and I hear the audible beep, and then I take my handheld remote and press the on button, where I hear another beep, confirming that the remote and the control module have been synchronized. Putting the surround on can be a little tricky. You want to make sure that you're lining up these 4 brackets with the teeth that'll be sitting on the clips just inside the fireplace cavity. You may want a hand with this, or you may want to call Friendly Fires directly to get a technician to do this for you. So you want to line up the clips, each clip just inside the fireplace. You want to lift up and then let it sit down on those teeth. You can pull on it to make sure it's secured tightly.